Sir from Golden Public School. Today we are going to start chapter 3 Discovering Tut. The saga continues part 1 by A.R. Williams. The writer name is A.R. Williams. First of all, you have to notice these expressions, the text, infer their meaning from the context also. When you will just read the text, understand the text, you will just come to know the meaning of these. Forensic reconstructions, funerary, treasures, skirted, across, circumvented, casket gray, computed, tomography, resurrection, details. Every one means you understand, the student, you will understand these words while reading the text. Let us start the text. He was just a teenager. Who was just a teenager? Tut. Tutain Khaitan. He was just a teenager, quite young. Teenager means quite young, not big one. Teenage, 13 to 19 between, teenage. When he died, the last year means inheritor. Here means inheritor, descendant of a powerful family that had ruled Egypt. Egypt is a country, and the family, Pharaoh's family, just ruled over it. Powerful, it was powerful family. Ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. He was laid to rest, laden means covered with gold, means his dead body was rest, laden with covered with gold, and eventually means as a result, ultimately or finally. Eventually means as a result, ultimately, finally. My dear student, you must note down these word meanings in your notebook and learn them. Eventually forgotten means after buried Tut's body, dead body, it was forgotten. Nobody remembered it. Since the discovery of his tomb in 1922, listen carefully, in 1922, his body was discovered. The modern world has speculated, modern world had thought, guessed, conjectured, also guessed, surmised, also guessed, means I have written here so many word meanings so that you can note down them about what happened to him. With murder being the most extreme possibility, everyone was thinking that he was murdered. That is why to know the answer, the reason of his death, and what was his age of the time of his demise, his death. What was the age? Two questions were there. What was his age at the time of death? Okay, and how he was he murdered? These were two questions that were lingered about. Now, living his tomb for the first time in almost 80 years, Tut has undergone after means 1922, Howard Carter was there, but after 80 years, Tut has undergone means went through or experienced a CT scan that offers new clues. CT scan has given new clues, signs about his life and death. Whose life and death? Tut, the powerful king, the last descendant of the powerful family that ruled over Egypt, and provide precise means exact data for an accurate forensic scientific reconstructions. Forensic means scientific reconstructions means remaking of the boy's Pharaoh, Greek ruler king. Let's know the story. It was the background of the story. An angry wind is tired. What happened on that day when the CT scan was going to be started? An angry wind is tired, created up ghostly and fearful dust devil, just like a big devil, fearful dust devil, as King Tut was taken from his resting place in the ancient Egyptian cemetery. Cemetery means place where dead bodies are buried, known as the Valley of the Kings. Okay, Egyptian cemetery known as the Valley of the King, which is known as the Valley of the King, Egyptian cemetery. Dark valley, it means having dark bodies. Clouds had scudded, moved across the desert sky all day, and now were veiling, means covering the stars in the casket gray colored casket was there, means the scene when the dead body was being scrutinized, when the dead body was going to be CT scan, computed tomography. It was a scene means dust devil was there and the star above his body was just moving here and there. It was a scene created there by the nature. It was 6 p.m. on 5th January 2005, and before it 1922 Howard Carter did it. After almost 80 years, on 5th January 2005, it had undergone to CT scan. The world's most famous mummy collided, means moved. World most famous mummy means Tut's mummy is the world's most famous mummy. Moved head first into a CT, computed tomography. CT means computed tomography. Scanner brought here to probe, means search the lingering remaining medical mysteries, secrets of this little understood young ruler who died more than 3,300 years ago. How many years ago? 3,300 years ago. All afternoon, the usual line of the tourist, because the CT scan was being done, and the tourist, you know that what is something new is happening somewhere, the tourist went there. Tourist nowadays also go there, means not nowadays, during during lockdown, but before it. From around the world had descended, means the people, the tourists from around the world came to see what is happening with Tut's mummy that was buried 3,300 years ago. You know that, right? Into the cramped, narrow, rock-cut tomb. There was a rock-cut tomb, means the rock was being cut and tomb was being made. It was a narrow place was there, some 26 feet underground, to pay their respect. There was a tourists were also there. They gazed, means they were looking intently at the murals, means paintings on the wall that was being made, or the burial chamber, and peered. They were looking just closely at Tut's gilded means covered with gold, shone face, the most striking features of his mummy shaped outer coffin lid. Some visitors read from the guidebooks in a whisper, low voice. Another stood silently also, perhaps pondering, thinking deeply. Tut's untimely death in his late teens. Nobody believed when Tut died, that how he was died. That is why they came there. Tut's untimely death in his late teens, or wondering, they were very surprised. With a shiver, means it was shaking. If the Pharaoh's curse, death or misfortune falling upon those who disturbed him was really true, means it was superstition. The people were superstitious, and they were thinking that something bad omen will be there if they touch the dead body mummy of Pharaoh's family, last descendant, last ruler, means curse will be there. The mummy means dead body, that was the skeleton, is in very bad condition because of what Carter did. Howard Carter in the 1920s said Jai Awaz. Who said Jai Awaz? Who said Jai Awaz about Howard Carter? What did he say? He said that Carter did in 1920s. The condition of the mummy was very bad. Jai Awaz, Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities. Listen once again. Jai Awaz, who was Jai Awaz? Jai Awaz was Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities. When very old things, antiquities means very old things, and he was the Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council. As he leaned over the body for a long first look, he was looking Carter, Howard Carter. That is was the British archaeologist who was there. British archaeologist who 1922 discovered Tut's body after years of futile, means useless searching. It was a useless searching. Its content, though hastily ransacked in antiquities, means searched. Everything was being searched, and things of antiquity were surprisingly complete. They remain the richest royal collection ever found and have become part of Pharaoh's legend. stunning artifacts were there, amazing things were there in gold. Their eternal brilliance mean permanent shine. They were just shining. The things which were kept with him, they were shining. They were permanent, meant to guarantee resurrection, rebirth. The things were kept with him because everyone was thinking that Tut will get rebirth and he would come. Caused a sensation, great interest at the time of discovery, and still get the most attention. But Tut was also worried with everybody thinks he would want in the afterlife, because they were thinking that after life he would have the life also, because the tourists were just reading in the guidebooks that were made, that were written on Tut, Pharaoh's family. That is why they were thinking that Pharaoh's curse would be there. What were the things that were kept with him? Board games, bronze razor, you can understand, linen, under garments, cases of food and wine. These were the things were kept with him because they were thinking it was superstition that he would need these things after life also. My dear student, write down the note down these questions and you must write down the answers of these. Answer the following. Who was King Tut? King Tut. What was why was a CT scan done on him? Everybody knows, and you must just try to find out the answer from this video, and you must note down the word meaning also. Who was Howard Carter? What did he do? You know, Howard Carter, archaeologist, British archaeologist in 1922. What did Jai Awaz say about Carter? That he did mummy in a very bad condition, very bad condition. Okay, my dear student, next part will be continued. You will see in the next video. Thank you very much. Till then, thank you. Watch this video again and again and try